how to multiply decimals. For example 1, 2.1 times 1.4. The first step to do is to ignore decimals. You have to ignore the decimals. So that will become 21 times 14. 21 times 14, we can do the working here. 21 times 14, place over 1 times 1, that's 1. 1 times 2, that's 2. 4 times 1, that's 4. 4 times 2, that's 8. So which means it's equals to 4, 9, and that's 2. So it's going to be 294. So this is going to be 294. Now, after you ignore the decimals, you are going to count the decimal places. We have to count the decimal places. Count the decimal place, right? To count the decimal place, we mean how many digits are there after the decimal in the original question. So here you're going to see there is 1 digit after the decimal, which is this one. And here you see there is this 4, which is another 1 digit after the decimal. So altogether, we're going to have 2 decimals. So our answer should have 2 decimals. So we count decimals from right to left. So we're going to say 1, 2. So our decimal is going to be here, which is equals to 2.94. Done. That's how we count decimals. Let's go for example 2. Example 2. On example 2, we are going to do 0.5 times 0.2. We're going to do the same. If we ignore the point here, it will be 5 times, if you ignore the decimal here, it's going to be 2. So 5 times 2, the answer is 10. Therefore, we do the same. We count the decimals. 1, 2. So our answer should have 2 decimals after the point. So we said they are counted from right to left. So I'm going to count 1, 2. So that's the point. But there's no number in front, so it's going to be replaced by 0. So it's going to be 0.10, which is as good as 0.1. Done.